I'm Linda Coopersmith, and this is Closets, Etc., the show that brings you creative design and organizational ideas. Some of my clients go beyond just loving shoes. They are serious shoe collectors. And if you're one of those people, you know what I'm talking about. You need a room just to house your shoes in. Now these are high-end designer shoes, and when you've invested that kind of money in a pair of shoes, or in that fact many shoes, you want to keep them protected. And what I did here is I put all the shoes in a special plastic shoe box for the reason, actually for a couple of reasons. One of them being that all the boxes are uniform. When they're uniform like this, they stack neatly. And as well, even though the plastic boxes are clear, I want to have a really great image on that shoe box, because if I'm looking for one pair of shoes out of 750 pair of shoes, which I have in this room, I want to be able to see that shoe like that. So that's why the photos are on front of all the boxes. Also notice that each pair of shoes has a number on it. That number correlates with an album that I have that you can literally thumb through the pages of the book looking for the shoe that you want, much easier than looking up and down the rows in this room, and say, okay, yes, I think I'll go for this shoe in box 190. And then you can find it, and there it is. Also notice that all the shelving here, it's all uniform, but it is also at the same time adjustable. So if you have maybe a booty type shoe, or then you need a bigger box, you can adjust accordingly your shelves. I hope your ideas run wild. See you next time.